Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Francisco. Today we're addressing a frustrating issue that many iPhone users encounter, which is iMessage not working. If your messages aren't delivering, you're missing replies, or your iMessage just won't activate, you're at the right place. So today we're going to walk you through 7 simple fixes to help you troubleshoot and solve the problem quickly. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss out on helpful tech tips and fixes like this one. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. General solution to fix iMessage not working issue. One highly recommended tool for resolving iOS issues, including iMessage problems, is Dr.Fone System Repair for iOS. This advanced repair software is designed to tackle a wide range of iOS errors effectively and securely by ensuring your data remains intact during the repair process. Dr.Fone System Repair for iOS offers 2 modes to fix iOS issues. Its standard mode is ideal for quickly resolving common problems like iMessage errors, freezing, or black screens without any risk of data loss. But for more complex issues, use its advanced mode, which performs a deep system scan to repair even the most stubborn glitches. With Dr.Fone System Repair for iOS, intuitive interface, and exceptional success rate, you can have your iPhone working perfectly in no time. So let's move on to explore specific steps and solutions to fix iMessage issues. Start by downloading and installing Dr.Fone System Repair for iOS on your PC or Mac. Once installed, launch the program to access the main interface. Then navigate to the left-hand panel and select the toolbox option. This will display a range of features where you need to click System Repair and connect your iOS device to the computer. Once connected, select iPhone in the Select Your Device Type section. Next, choose iOS Repair from the available options and click on the Standard Repair mode to fix the iMessage issue without data loss. After that, put your iOS device into recovery mode and click the Enter Recovery Mode button to begin downloading the appropriate firmware for your iOS model. In the following window, you'll see a selection of firmware options. So choose the one that matches your device to succeed with repairing the issue with iMessage not working. Once the firmware installation is complete, hit the Repair Now button to start the repair process. When the repair is successfully completed, a confirmation screen will display Repair Completed. Simply press the Done button to finish the process. Part 2. Do some checks to fix the iMessage not working error. Now that we've explored a great solution to fix iMessage, you can try several other quick and straightforward checks to fix the iMessage issue on your iPhone. Sometimes, small adjustments or overlooked settings can make all of the difference. Therefore, we've outlined the essential checks that you can follow to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, check your network connection by looking at the top of your screen. After that, you need to confirm that the phone number you are trying to text is correct. If your network connection looks fine, but the message isn't being delivered, try texting someone else. This will help determine if the issue is with your phone or the recipient's phone. Number 2. When you see a red exclamation mark with a circle around it and the message says not delivered, tap the exclamation mark and select try again. If it still doesn't go through, tap the exclamation mark once more and choose send as text message. Check 3. In case your iPhone isn't receiving text, check if the date and time settings are correct. Incorrect date and time settings can prevent activation, so you need to ensure they are accurate. Part 3. Reboot your iPhone to fix iMessage not working issue. If the quick checks don't help, don't worry. We can still try further. One of the simplest yet most effective solutions for fixing technical glitches is rebooting your iPhone. A reboot can clear temporary bugs or errors that might be interfering with iMessage. Let's walk you through how to resolve this issue properly. For iPhone 6 or earlier, you have to simultaneously press and hold the side and home buttons. In addition to that, continue to hold them until the Apple logo appears on the screen. As soon as the logo appears, let go of the buttons to reboot the phone and fix the problem. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down and side buttons simultaneously until the Apple logo shows up. When the logo appears, release the buttons to finalize the rebooting process. For iPhone 8 series or later, begin by swiftly pressing and letting go of the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. Ultimately, press and keep the side button held down until you see the iPhone force restarting. Part 4. Turning off LTE to fix iMessage not working error. If rebooting your iPhone hasn't resolved the iMessage issue, the next step is to look into your network settings. Sometimes LTE connectivity can interfere with iMessage, especially if there are signal fluctuations or compatibility issues. By temporarily turning off LTE, you can check if the problem lies with your mobile data connection. Let's explore how this simple adjustment can make a difference. To access your iPhone settings, and tap the Mobile Services option from the main screen. Upon Upon seeing it, you need to choose mobile data option to access the further screen. After that, tap the voice and data option to turn off LTE. Once you access the new screen, enable the 5G auto or 5G on option to disable the LTE settings on your phone. Part 5. Reset network settings to fix the iMessage not working issue. When turning off LTE doesn't resolve the issue, it's worth considering a deeper look at your network configurations. Over time, outdated or conflicting network settings can disrupt features like iMessage. So resetting your network settings is a straightforward way to eliminate these issues and restore smooth connectivity. Thus, follow the steps that we have provided coming up to reset your network settings and resolve this issue. Access your phone's general settings and scroll down to select the transfer or reset iPhone option. Next, select the reset option on the newly displayed screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, you need to tap the reset network settings option. Finally, confirm your choice by entering the device password and selecting reset network settings again to resolve the issue of iMessage not working. Part 6. Turn off or on iMessage to resolve the iMessage not working error. Sometimes the issue with iMessage can be as simple as the feature being toggled off or encountering a glitch in its settings. Turning iMessage off and then back on can help reset the service and resolve minor software glitches. So let's dive into how you can potentially toggle iMessage settings on and off to restore its functionality. Navigate to the Settings app on your phone and swipe up to choose the Apps option. Upon seeing the new screen, you need to tap the Messages to move further. Once you access the Messages settings, tap the iMessage toggle to turn it off. After a few seconds, enable the toggle again to refresh the settings and hopefully resolve the issue. Part 7. Perform a factory reset to fix the iMessage not working error. If all else fails and iMessage continues to give you trouble, it might be time to take more drastic measures. The step will wipe all data and settings from your iPhone, returning it to its original state. While this should be a last resort, it can resolve any deep system issues that other troubleshooting steps might not have fixed. Go through the steps below to perform a factory reset safely and ensure your iPhone is ready for a fresh start. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Upon accessing it, select General and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the menu. Here, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone to proceed. After that, you need to tap on the Erase All Content and Settings option. Next, enter your device password when prompted to proceed. On the next screen, press Continue and carefully follow the on-screen instructions to complete the factory reset process. That's all for today's video. We covered a range of solutions to help you fix iMessage issues on your iPhone. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution, we highly recommend using Dr.Fone System Repair for iOS to repair any underlying system issues. Its two innovative repair modes, Standard and Advanced, are perfect for handling both simple and complex problems. So we hope this video has been helpful in getting your iMessage back up and running smoothly. If you found the solution that worked for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and troubleshooting guides. With that said, until next time.